Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can check future predictions for any YouTube channel. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel currently and I have around 22 subscriber and 28 videos. So we will just predict what will be the future of this channel in the coming years. So all you have to do is you need to go on this website called as Social Blade, and you have to copy this handle. So I will simply go and copy and paste it over here and click on search. So after this my channel is populated, and if we go down, this would be my approximate earning as per the views right now, but since my channel is not monetized now, I am not earning anything. So if you check this, this will show all the latest data over here, and if we click over here on the future predictions, it will take us to the future prediction page over here. So as you can see, in 2 months I will be getting like 23 subscribers, and in 5 years time I will be having around 63 subscribers with around 460,000 YouTube views. So this prediction is not accurate because at times there can be a viral video that can bring you a lot of views and lot of subscribers, and I'm sure if I'm consistent, my subscriber count will be of course more than this in 5 years. So let's see and watch how many subscriber I will be getting over here. So it is this simple to check the future prediction projections of any channel. In case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.